Hey everyone, I'm Aman Sharma and welcome to the quick overview of Invoice Tracker plus Dashboard. First of all, a huge thanks to everyone who grabbed the template on Etsy and came straight here from the welcome sheet. I really appreciate you taking the time to check this out. Apologies if I sound a bit off, fighting a sore throat, but the template is ready to help you to track everything smoothly. And let's dive right in and get you set up fast. Start with the template. So the first field is invoice ID. It's a automated field where you don't have to enter any data manually. It will get generated on its own as soon as you enter the client name like this. And when you enter it, you can see an invoice ID is generated. So the next field is contact info. Here you can enter the client's phone number or email address. I'll enter our email address. Next is invoice sent. So it's a true false statement. If you have sent your invoice to John, you can do this. If you haven't, you can let it be like this. So for this scenario, I'm taking that I have sent the invoice to John. Now I'll select the due date of the invoice. Double click on here. Let's say March 1st. Then we have pay date. Let's say 2nd March. Paid amount. Let's say $34. Then we have balance due. If the invoice has some balance due, you can enter it here and it will get added into the total invoice. So like if you have $10 balance, you can see it get add up in the total invoice. But for now, I'm letting it blank. So the next field is project. So if you have a specific project, a project name or consignment name, you can enter that. If you don't, you can simply write the name of the task. So I can say development. Next is payment method. So if you have a payment method, you can enter the payment method of the invoice. If the payment method is not mentioned here, you can add it manually. If you want to use these, you can use these. I am choosing PayPal for now. And in notes, you can enter the notes. If here is something specific about the client or the invoice, you can write it here. So you can see there is slight difference in the total invoice, total paid, and monthly growth. So the stats are coming. Now we'll enter another entry and see how the total balance due and unsent invoice get updated. So you can see I have entered another entry for Jane Doe, and I haven't sent the invoice. I didn't check the box, so it's false. So you can see that I have one unsent invoice here. Then I haven't updated the paid date because I haven't sent the invoice. Then there's no paid amount, but there's balance amount and there's total invoice here and then the project name and no payment method yet as I have not sent the invoice yet. So you can see there is data over here. Now if I do it like this, if I say I have sent the invoice to Jane but she haven't paid yet, then I can see that I have total balance due over here and I have monthly growth this and overdue amount this, but my unsent invoices are zero now. So you can update the status of your invoices once you have received your payments, or if you need to write the balance, or if the amount is cleared, you can update it and you can see the magic happening over here. And then you can see that we have the leaderboard over here. So we don't have any paid amount for Jane, that's why Jane is not here. But once there are more entries, you will see that there will be the leaderboard will have the data of the people who have contributed the most to your business. So let me show you a well organized sheet where we have a lot of data so that we can check out the filter feature and leaderboard also. So this is the sheet where we have a lot of data. You can see. So we have total invoice, total paid, and total balance due, and monthly growth, and overdue amount zero, because we don't have any overdue amount as of today, and unsent invoices is zero. Also, we have added a date range over here. So if we want to, we can tweak it. Like if we want to see the data from 1st of Feb to the 28th of Feb, here you can see that we had total invoice amount of $2,630 in the month of Feb, and the total paid amount was 2,283, and total balance due was 347. So you can see the stats. That's it. Hope this helps. If you have any questions at all about setup, features, customization, or anything else, just drop them in the comments below or shoot me a message on Etsy. I'll reply as quickly as I can. Thanks for watching, and huge thanks again to everyone who came here from the welcome sheet. Hope you love the invoice tracker, and see you in the next one.